Welcome back to Future Car, where we explore the most exciting cars of tomorrow. Today we're diving into something truly special, the 2026 Mercedes AMG GT 50. This isn't just any sports car. It's a true blend of cutting-edge performance, stunning design, and futuristic tech that will have car enthusiasts everywhere on the edge of their seats. First, let's talk about the heart of this beast, the engine. The 2026 AMG GT 50 is powered by a new hybridized 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 paired with an electric motor. Together they produce a mind-blowing 800 horsepower, which propels this car from 0 to 60 in just 2.5 seconds. That's faster than some of the most legendary hypercars out there. But it's not just about speed. Mercedes has perfected the balance of power and efficiency with their hybrid system, giving the car an electric-only range that's perfect for short trips in the city. Now, on to the design. The 2026 AMG GT 50 takes everything that made its predecessors iconic and refines it. The aggressive front fascia, with its wide grille and sharp aerodynamic lines, screams performance. The sleek sculpted body is made from lightweight materials, including carbon fiber, which not only improves the car's handling, but also makes it look like it's ready to launch into the future. The rear end, with its active aero components, provides superior downforce, ensuring stability at high speeds. Inside, Mercedes has gone all in on tech. The cockpit features a fully digital dashboard with augmented reality navigation and an immersive sound system that can simulate a race car engine's roar or create a serene environment for your drives. The seats are fully customizable, with memory foam technology that adapts to your body's contours, ensuring comfort no matter how long the ride is. On the road, the AMG GT 50 feels like a true driver's car. The steering is sharp, responsive, and precise, while the adaptive suspension system ensures that the car can handle both track days and daily commutes without skipping a beat. Whether you're taking it to the racetrack or cruising down the highway, the 2026 AMG GT 50 offers an unparalleled driving experience. This car is not just about brute force, it's about intelligent engineering, sustainability, and future-forward design. Mercedes has truly outdone itself with this masterpiece, setting the stage for the future of performance cars. That's it for today's look at the 2026 Mercedes AMG GT 50. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future car breakdowns. Let us know what you think of this incredible machine in the comments below. Could this be the future of supercars? Until next time, drive into the future.